Hi again, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the Simmonds avocado. This avocado to me is my favorite. It just has a really great taste. You have to try it, and I think it's a really good addition for your home orchard. Um, they have like a droopy growth habit. You can keep them, you don't have to let them get too big, and they're pretty productive. This is actually a West Indian variety, and the fruit is like medium to large, and it has like they're kind of glossy. The fruit is kind of glossy and smooth. You usually can harvest them around June, September, in that time frame. You can harvest them, and like I said, they really have a great taste. And you can mix them with a few other varieties, and then you can pretty much have avocados for the majority of the year. You can see there's a fruit in there, but that one's actually from the Lula avocado next to it. And if you can see that way, I have another Simmonds all the way across on the other side of the house over there. And that one over there, even when I trim it, doesn't matter. It fruits very well, and they're really big. So it always gives us like a few meals from it. Anyway, that's my take on the Simmonds avocado. I would say my favorite, number one on my list. And hope you enjoy it.